Good evening. Not really what you'd call a sunset, but there's a little bit of sun over there we can see. Thunderstorms are all around us. Looks like we had a little shower. And it was a hot one today, boy. It was up in the hundreds again. So I think we got 1 or 2 more days of that before we get a little break. I think you can hear the thunder. There's a storm right there. A little bit of rain in it. I ain't seen no lightning yet, but I know it's there somewhere. Right above me, probably. Got a couple of raindrops falling. That's great. Well, I hope everybody else is living the dream wherever you're located at in this big, wonderful world that we live in. I was gonna try and get out and see that meteor shower here after a while, but I don't know if it's gonna clear up. I think we got a chance of seeing some of it tonight and some of it tomorrow night. But last night it was too cloudy. I didn't even get a sunset. And tonight we got some ho, 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 ho. I think that's probably telling the guy that he needs to call her an evening there. Hey, well, I'm gonna get in out of this weather because that is a thunderstorm. Hey, thanks for watching. Be safe out there, and God bless.